The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. Hope everyone had a great weekend. We're ready for a great and what should be a wild week. Good morning, Mr. G. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, Omar. How are you all doing today? Oops, I forgot to set up my phone for the stream. Give me a second on that. Then we'll talk, see what the markets have been doing since the open last night. We'll talk about some other stuff going on. Good morning, Matthew. How are you this morning? How was your weekend? How was everybody's weekend? Glad to hear that. Glad to hear that. Okay. So ES is moving pretty well, looks like right now. Let's take a gander at the hourly chart to look at it even better. Oh yeah, we've been dropping, haven't we? High day was that first opening candle, 40.86, and low was 40.40. So about a 46-point drop. Copper, about mid-range, and the range has been about 140 ticks. Nice movement there. Gold also bottomed out there a couple of times. About 14 points in range. Ultravon, look at that big move when Europe opened. Boom. Shoom. Almost a full point right in that hourly candle. And Europe opened. About 1.5 in range. Natural gas. Big gap down at the open. Hard to believe this thing is under 3. I thought for sure we were going to be at 10. But anyway, a little over, well, about 120 ticks in range. Last but not least, the oil that's saying nasty things. It's crude. That crude oil, 80.50. So it's high where it started down to 78, about mid-range. About 180 ticks. Bitcoin hanging around 23,000, a little above after having a good weekend. Almost touched 24. That's where we're at. That's where we start on this bit chilly Monday morning here in Decatur, Illinois. We are ready to rock and rumble. So, right now we're dipping. We are dipping. Yes, new banner up top. Blue Sky, prop firm. They are a new associate sponsor. I'll be doing their evaluation here today. Blue Sky is interesting. It's the only prop firm around that allows the ICE assets like cocoa and coffee and orange juice to be traded in an evaluation. And they also are going to soon have the Eurex assets available for evaluation. It's already available once you're funded. I'm not going to be trading those today or in the near future, but I might at some point. And I know some people do like to trade ICE assets. Ice, baby. Ice, baby. Nice. I didn't realize they were in Georgia. Good morning, IMAD. So yeah, if anyone's interested in Blue Sky, there's a link in the video description. Get you 25% off their evaluations. Hey, PJ. And we're going to start off the morning with a short. And as soon as I find my software, I'll be able to show you that short. There we go. Why did I like this? Up, down, came right back up, failed to get higher, came back down through both moving averages. So we'll see what we get here. Hello, Freighter. Oh yeah, that's right. They also have the dollar. That'd be something to look at as well. While we're in this trade now, I'm up one tick. We'll see where it goes. Up 3 ticks. Yay. Uh, let's look at news for today. I think today is like no news or very light news. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index at 10:30. That's it for news today. Yeah, I'm very happy with the outcome. Gee, Eagles are my team. Mind you, this week is going to be a wild week. We have FOMC on Wednesday, and we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. Little slow grind down here. Yep, back up. Big wall of orders at 40, 45 half, 73 on the bid there. See if we can get through. There it goes. Kinda. There we go. That's why I don't like looking at the bid and the ask. I think big wall, and all of a sudden there it goes. All right, G, I'll post up your link here in a minute. I was interested. Mr. G always has some good insights on Wall Street overall. He has a channel called Winning Wall Street's Money. This is the link for it if you want to check that out. Mind your folks, if you're here and you're expecting to enjoy today's broadcast, I appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button. Back up toward my entry. Let's see what happens here. Thought about taking. Ooh, actually, we're now one tick down. Back to my entry point. See if we come back down. see. I realized that the watermark of the video is probably blocking my NinjaTrader chart there. Let me try to adjust that a little bit. It didn't move. Why? Huh. Oh, there we go. Now it did. Now I moved it too far. Try that again. How about that? There we go. That looks better. Yes, we did. We were talking about eggs, and this, I don't like this now. Come on. I should have taken the point, I guess. I wonder if that's part of Norway is the reason those are down. Looks like I'm going to take. Ooh, yeah, this is going to stop me out. Let's see what happens though. Right now I'm down 1 point. Good morning, Sorum. Welcome. Hello, JC. So, oh, there it comes back down. VJ, this time of morning can be a little tough. It's not. I don't usually. It's very rare that I take a trade this early after the start of the day, but one was sitting there, and I should have taken the point. Actually, I should mark this for 2 points. See if it comes back down. Sitting down 5 ticks here. Morning glitch. Yep, stopped out. So not a good way to start the day, down $100, but that's okay. We double top toward the top there. My first loss since last Wednesday. First loss on this new eval. Maybe this eval's not going to be lucky for me. We'll see. Yep, Blue Sky. Prop firm's been around probably about 6 months now. Started by a former prop trader and a team. Well, started by a couple of guys, but one of the guys is a former prop. And like I was just saying a couple minutes ago, it's the only prop around that allows ICE exchange and Eurex exchange assets. So if you wanted to trade orange juice or cocoa or coffee, a couple stuff, the DAX, the dollar, it's the only prop allowed that allows you to. Morning, Leonardo. Notice we're kind of double topping here. 40, 40, 40, 49, 25, 40, 49. Let's see what comes back down. They have an interesting setup in their thing. Hold on. I can give you that answer here in a minute. They do it kind of opposite the way other companies are doing. The first 20,000 you get 80%. 20 to 50,000 you get 85%, and above 50K you get 90%. If you make 100K plus in lifetime withdrawals, it's a custom offer. They are completely live. They have no live sim. Once you pass your evaluation, oh, we're really going. By the way, that's technically a trigger candle back up, and I didn't react to it because I was waiting to get stopped out. This would have been the move here would have been up, but they have no live sim. Once you get funded, you're on the live account. Your orders are hitting the market. In evaluation, they only had two rules: the daily loss limit and the trailing drawdown. Once funded, the daily loss limit does not cause your account to be, does not cause you to blow your account. It only stops you from trading the rest of the day. There's an $85 setup fee, but I don't think there's data feeds. I will ask Josh, the guy I talked to, about that when I see him. I meant to ask about that because I did notice that doesn't list data fees, and I do know that their funding partner is Phillips Capital, which is a very huge firm, from what I understand. Oh, I didn't even know that. I gotta check out their. This all came together over the weekend and check out. So we're going up to 40.50 here. So what was my mistake here? Not getting out once it recrossed right here. And you can see here if I had gotten in off to the long side, this would have been a winner. So my mistake was not getting out of the short and then not getting into the long. Take a gander there. Thank you, IMAD. Let's see. Their rep, who I believe is a co-owner, something like that. Oop, that's not what I wanted to do. Is on the MightyOxTrading Discord as well. I'm sure he'll be happy to answer questions. Let me go take a gander here. Ah, that was a mistake. Good morning, Dakota. They do. You can withdraw from day one once you're past your safety threshold. There's no waiting to withdraw. You do need $1,000 before you can withdraw, but other than that, there's no waiting. No having to wait 3 months, 4 months, whatever. Uh, So we'll wait for our next opportunity here with the market. How was your weekend, Dakota? Okay, give me a sec. Wait, they don't support NinjaTrader and funded accounts? Okay, well that's an issue. Apparently, I need to talk to Josh about that. Thank you for letting me know. I don't think they're going to be providing a key. I think they're saying you can't use NinjaTrader. Okay, I need to check on that. Huh. Yes, Dakota, Blue Sky, new sponsor. I know Josh did tell me they are planning on getting Tradovate, Trading View coming soon. Yeah, I'll talk to my rep later today. He's also, if I decide to go that route, willing to do an interview for the channel. I've been thinking about trying to do some live interviews, or interviews, preferably maybe live, where people can ask questions, like toward the end of the stream, like if people are willing to come on at like a 10 or 11 Central Time and do an interview, and then people can ask questions. Not sure yet. I really want to expand the channel, but I got to be able to find the time, and time is limited because I need to use it to make money until I make money from trading. Sure, they don't provide the license for it once funded because that would be really expensive. But I'm not sure how they're offering ice in New York, so maybe I don't know. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. I'm not sure whether or not people will go for that or not. Just I prefer live interviews because not only does it allow people to, it would allow you know audience to ask questions, but it means I don't need to do a lot of editing. I hate editing. That's why there hasn't been a lot of non-live content because I hate editing. Hate. Hate the hate. Oh. Okay, so we're coming back down now. We got up to 40, 50, 75. I'm trying to bounce there though on the EMA. EMA. EMA trading. It's on the charts. 6E, cool. Bounce there. Technically, my plan calls to take that. Let's see if I should have. I believe you just need a single broker license because you can't be connected to more than one, but NinjaTrader. What's the here we go. The Okay, give me a second. We did bounce there. You just need NinjaTrader brokerage. I just went to their support forum, and this is what they say about it. A multi-broker key will be required if you want to trade multiple brokers like Interactive Brokers, TD Ameritrade, NinjaTrader brokerage, all at the same time. However, it's not required if you're using a prop firm like Apex and NinjaTrader brokerage at the same time because we have a mutual agreement with them that allows access to their account using our standard single broker key when it is enabled for NinjaTrader brokerage specifically. So you just need the single brokerage key license, and you would set it to NinjaTrader brokerage. Oh, oh yeah, it just popped there. I see. You're welcome, my man. It's kind of hanging here. Top of the hour here in just 10 seconds. We'll see if that brings in some additional volatility. We're not going anywhere right now. Top of the hour. Again, no news catalyst today, but this week is chock full of them. And it's hanging here at 40.49. So we made this nice move up from 40.41 up to 40.49 over about an hour there. Now it's just kind of think we're coming down. Of course, I said that before, didn't I? And that resulted in a $100 loss. Ooh, wow. Well, that was nice. So that would definitely wouldn't have worked either. So early morning not working out yet. Strong move down. So let's see if we bounce. Touching that band. It's a band toucher. Don't touch the tuba player. Oh, I don't have my binaural beats going. Let me do that. Knew everything was too quiet in my ears. So a little bit of a bounce. Let's see. Back above the 100 and back below the 100. Up, down, left, right. 40.47 is where we're at. Gained one of those candles back. Almost. No, not all the way. Not totally. Back above the 100. Patience, patience. Morning, Avi. Thank you. Sponsorship's not a really rich deal. It's basically the free eval and a couple of uh, things on fees and stuff, but that's good for now. I'm going to be having a Zoom call with another prop firm later this week at some point. But Blue Sky did say if things look good, they might be willing to do a giveaway of a free evaluation to the audience. Good morning, John. Consolidating around 40.47. Back up to the 20 EMA. Definitely not a lot of action here. Now, technically now we're back into a trigger candle back up. But I don't know. I'm just not liking this price action right now. Now the up move would have worked earlier. The two down moves, well, no, that one wouldn't have worked. That's a strong candle. Wow. That's almost a 3-point candle. Trying to get back up to this 40.50, which is the highest we've seen in about 2 hours. I was kind of watching. It's going to make me regret not taking this probably, but hey, we shall see. We did get below the bands here, and that often does facilitate a bounce, and that's a bounce we saw. Bounce city, bounce city, bounce city. Let's mark this one out. Let's see if I should have taken it. See if we start a weekly drinking game. Should Ox have taken the trade? Every time he says I should have taken it, take a drink. By the end of the week, your liver will be pickled. That would have, see, that would have worked. Gosh darn it. Darn. So I got too much into thinking we were coming down and didn't play that bounce. I should have played the bounce. The bounce. Especially once it got back through the moving average. So up to 40.52. Do I thank everyone for joining me this morning? Hope everyone's having a good day. It was 1 week ago today that we had that mass exodus of people. And I can honestly say we haven't missed them. You know, we dropped from 1245 to 1217 in subscribers. We've bounced back up to 1235. The viewing time on the streams has been the same since before they left. And the channel is a lot nicer to be around. Oh, and reminder that tonight we have a second stream of the day. Our once a week Asia session stream, 7:45 Eastern time. Hope you'll join me for that if you can, if you feel like it, if you want to. I was muted and didn't realize it. Oopsie. So you can see it's struggling here. It's hit, oh, never mind. Just burst through it just as I was saying it. So now we're up to 40.52 at half. Morning, busy. How's it going? Hey, Daniel. Going to 40.55, all right. You've been pretty good on those calls, and then you seem to disappear when I try to give you kudos when it hits those numbers. Hope you're having a good day today. Pulls back a little here. Oh, sorry guys, I forgot to get rid of that NinjaTrader window while I'm not using it. Well, really it's not in the way there, so maybe I should keep it there so I don't have to worry about continuing to find it. Can't wait till everybody has Tradovate and TradingView so I can just not have to worry about bringing up a chart. Nice possible bounce there. Big wick down. I like big wicks. I cannot lie. Here we go again. Rising up. See if we get to that 40.55. See how it's struggling here? See if we can get some oomph. Oomph! It wants some oomph. Slow morning. Today could be slow. Like I said, there's really no news catalysts. But we have an exciting week ahead. FOMC on Wednesday. Non-farm payrolls on Friday. That's going to send the markets all topsy-turvy. If the FOMC based its rate decision on egg prices, they would do like 500 basis points. Yep, that's fine, Avi. So we're sitting here on the CMA now. Haven't really gone anywhere. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. There we go. There we're starting to get a rise up. 40.52 half. Not so far, not being able to get through that 40.52 half. But it's going to try it. Bless its heart. There it goes. There she blows. Got the 40.53. So again, a nice little bounce here. Either one of these bounces would have worked. I think. I shouldn't say that before I actually measure them out. This is a bounce that could have been played. Wait for that one green candle. Wasn't much of a green candle, but it was a green candle. Eh, with no slippage, we got two. We'll put it there. We'll see if it gets it. And then this one I shouldn't have said. This bounce obviously working so far, but we'll see. Gardner, thank you for that. I'll check that out. I've been meaning to add one up to the Discords thing. I don't think they have an affiliate program, but we're not just about affiliate earnings. I'll have to go check them out. Oh, there we go. So we want to reach profit target on that bouncy candle. Let's see where we go. Got to 40.53 half here before pulling back. Interesting. Thank you, Gardner. Been thinking also about doing a weekly recap of any news in the prop firm industry. Well, I'm not sure. Some weeks might be absolutely like, hi, nothing happened. Hope you have a great week. So, had a nice move up, but now it's a bit slower. Hang it, this 40.52. Remember, no news catalyst today at 8:30 Eastern. Yep. Bounce up to 40.53. Rising up again. There it goes. And by there it goes, I mean it got another tick. $40.54. All right, good luck, JC. Oh, I forgot about the Ultra Bond market opening, but it doesn't look like it's really awake yet. So we got up to 40.54 even, pulling back here, back down to the EMA. It's a choppy upwards move. And bouncing again on the EMA. Down they come, down to 40.50. Copper falling. Gold still kind of stagnant. So it's interesting. We didn't have any news catalyst, but it just turned on a dime right at there at 8:30. Back down to that 100 and breaking it. Breaking up is hard to do. Excuse me. Not taking this here because I think it's going to bounce. At least a little bit. Just a little bit. You can see it's well outside the Bollinger and the RSI. But we were squeezy squeezy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. You go see if there was any type of news that popped there. Not that I see. Excellent. Oh yeah, that just burst right on down. Finally got some movement there on the Ultra Bond. Yep, there's the bounce. Anyway, like I said, thank everyone for being here this morning. First hour in 0 for 1, that's okay. Coming back down here. See if it gets back through that 100 and might be interested. There's a break of the 100. Let's see if it holds. Right now it has not. It has not. Huh? Hanging here 40, 50 even. About 55 minutes away from the open. Sideways action. Little less talk and a lot more action. Struggling to get back above. You see each of these candles have hit 40, 50, 25. Can't get above there. Not really moving to the downside either. Here it comes, here it comes, here it comes. Nope. Back up, back up, back up. And ATE in the war room to the G. Sitting on the dock of the bay. Just trying again. So each of these have broken the 100 and then not been able to hold. Lowest move over here was 40.48. So we're in about a 2-point range over the last 8 minutes or so. Okay, I went short. See what it gives us, if anything. Stops at the top of the wick of that candle, which is still above the EMA. I am in at 40.48 half for what I believe will be a continued move down. At least I hope. Needs to break this 40.48 though. There it goes. Didn't just burst through, but it's trying. Got within a tick of my target there. Come on. Come on. Target is on the bid. Nope. Come on. Come on. Break. There we go. Target hit. Boom. We're back to zero on the day. Plus, well, actually we're down $8 because of commissions, but there we go. That's a winner, winner, winner. Chicken dinner, as they say. Thanks to Coda and JC. And quick bounce. So I didn't get much further than my target. I think it only went one more tick, so I got lucky. And actually, you know what? It went to my target and didn't go any further, so I got really lucky. Bounced back up to the 100. Excellent, Leonardo. Glad to hear that. Morning the wire. Popping up. Back up. Technically a trigger candle back up. Not trusting that though. Hi, Borneo. Blue Sky is a prop that's been around for about 6 months or so. Started in part by a guy who used to use Earn to Trade, and I'm not sure, maybe a couple others. Um, yeah, they're a prop firm like the rest of them. Morning Ace. They have some interesting features like the ability to trade ICE and Eurex products. Well, there we go. I'm going to put that on my wish list there, G. So, like I said, this was a trigger candle. We'll see if I should have taken that back up. Something I gotta get better at is reacting to quick moves in the other direction. We just got that win on the short, but the long there looks like it's working as well. We'll see. Well, we shall see what we shall see. How is your weekend, Ace? Glad to hear that. Morning, John. How are things with you? No, my weekend was okay. I don't know, Leonardo, but uh, the guy I talked to, one of the, I believe, co-owners of the company, has agreed to do an interview, so I can ask him that question if I decide to do the interview. We're popping right back down here. My guess, the reason they left the E off is there's a well-known tableware supplier called Blue Sky Trading with the E, based out of Brooklyn, New York. So down to the EMA and trying to pop back up. Well, nice job on your trading. Tell the algo he sucks. How dare work keep you too busy? CL's getting destroyed? CL is getting destroyed. Wow. Check out that chart. Holy macaronis. Less than an hour, it's come down like a point and a half, over a point and a half. Look at that candle. This is a hourly chart. Look at that hourly candle. 162 ticks to the downside. Whoosh. Barely, Ace. One item, small item. 1030 Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index. I doubt that matters, but I need to start keeping track. No, it's not red folder. Tomorrow we have Canadian GDP and US CB consumer confidence. Those are red folders. And we have US S&P manufacturing PMI finals on Wednesday. And of course we have on Wednesday there's FOMC, and on Friday there's non-farm payroll. Oh wow, yeah, UB really jumped up there. As oil's falling, the bonds are rising. And yes, this was another good trigger candle. Is there anything, really anything, any such thing as a nice rejection? I don't like to feel rejected. But yeah, G is right. You can see here at 40.65, I'm sorry, 40.46.25. Try that. Got double bottom there. Beautiful bounce. Came down here, up, bounce, up. And there's 40.54 again. Remember Daniel called 40.55 earlier. Now let's see if we double top here. 7 minutes to the top of the hour. Be interested to see if crude bounces when it's open. The energies market's open at 9 o'clock. Dip down real quick. Back down to 40.51. Let's see if it pops back up. We should put a line here too. You can see here how it double top there. So we kind of have a range here, 40.54 to 40.46, half, 7.5 point range. Good morning, Trade Together. I hope you're having a good day so far. Hang on, 40.52 half. So 1 for 2 in the morning. I'm down $8 based. That's just commissions on the two trades. The two trades evened out. And we're trying again here. Oh. Watching this crude sell off. Still hasn't bounced at all. It's just sitting there. Probably waiting for its market to open. 12.043. All right. Well, down to the EMA. So up, down, up. Tried again. Failed. Trying to come down. Let's see where it goes. See if it gives us any indication. It's a couple minutes. Still the top of the hour. Oh, nope. Nice bounce there again. Touched that EMA. It was an EMA toucher. Good morning, Burl. How it goes? Yep, absolutely, Burl. Eagles to the Super Bowl. Good use of emojis. Fly, Eagles, fly. uh, yep, it's a good time to be a Philly sports fan. 76ers are in second place in their division. Not that I really follow basketball. Let's not talk about the Flyers. Yeah. Hockey team not so good, although they're doing better than they did last year, I believe. Uh, honestly, I mean, I would not be surprised to see him lose. Patrick Mahomes is an absolute, you know, stud of a quarterback. It's going to be interesting. I think it'll be a good game. I don't think it's going to be a blowout for either side. But of course, I thought they were going to lose to Brady, 5 years ago too, and they beat Brady. So hey, way I look at it, the way I look at it, PJ, is that I don't consider, if they lose, I don't consider it a failure. They did better than 28 other, or how many football teams are there? 30 other football teams. Top of the hour. Let's see what Crude's doing here. Crude tried to bounce a little bit, but this candle where I thought they might try and buy that dip, so far it's coming back down, trying to stay above 78. Nice bounce here again on ES. Yes, they did. Hey, Heffies. Nice rise up here at the top of the hour on ES. Well, Crude may be going negative again. No, I'm kidding. That'll be a long fall. Nope. So ES not able to get above this 40.54. Okay, if you're in NinjaTrader, Pamela, are you looking at the net liquidation balance? That'll show you your total, and then they'll send you an email sometime later today if you did pass it. Net liquidation balance shows you your balance after all commissions and stuff. So, are you on NinjaTrader, Pamela? Here, hold on. I'll bop over here to hold on. Let me find my software. There it is. Unfortunately, this doesn't get any bigger, but if you look here, this is my blue sky right now. Blah blah blah. You have cash value, excess interday, blah blah blah. Net liquidation. This column here, and right here it says 499992, whereas the cash value says 50K. The net liquidation includes all balance, including commissions. So that's why it says 49992, so on. That's on this screen on NinjaTrader, your regular main screen under accounts. It sounds like you probably got it unless you were really doing a lot of trading. Oh, okay. So, well, do you still have that on? Okay, do you still have that on NT? That net liquidation on NT? I mean, I don't know anything about Jigsaw, so I don't know how Jigsaw shows balances there. Oops. Thought I turned that back off. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. Must have had a little bit of a blip. My live broadcast was a little bit lagging. So remember to hit your live button to make sure you're at the live broadcast, everybody. So popping down here on ES, coming back down now. Did not make it up to above 40.54. The 40.50 is where we're sitting right now. My beats just ran out. I need my beats. There we go. Let us know, Pamela, so we can congratulate you. Okay, well, we're excited for you as well, Pamela. Congratulations, definitely in order. A bit of sideways action here on ES as we are now 25 minutes from the bell. Just 25. So will we break the 100 here? I kind of like a setup here for short, but we're going to watch. It might just be dipping and coming back up. We shall see. Our ATR is still only 1.2, so it's been a slower morning. 1 for 2 on the morning. Break even besides commissions. What did crude do? What did the crude do? Crude did bounce a bit. Just a tad. Gold looks like a heart monitor. Think it's in under AFib. Technically a trigger candle there, back up, but I'm not comfortable with the upside. It's failed too many times here. But maybe this will be the time that it's a charm. We'll mark it. To market. To market. To buy some ES. It would need to get above that level to give me my profit target if I had taken that trade. So for those of you just joining, we got a new sponsor today on the stream, Blue Sky Trading, prop firm. Easy rules and has assets that you can't trade on any other prop firm, and darn it, that went to my profit target. Gah. Don't doubt it, just take it, Ox. Don't doubt it, just take it. Look at that. So far this morning, 5 purple lines, 2 blue lines, and there's a couple that would have worked that technically weren't triggers, but still would have worked. So if you ever wanted to trade coffee or orange juice, I might be doing an interview. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, I'm thinking about trying to really grow the channel with some other content, including interviews, things like that. It's not a lucrative sponsorship. It's not any cash at this point, but it's the free eval and the free fees and things like that. So, hey, I'll take it. And Blue Sky, like I said, has some interesting things to it, like being able to trade ICE and Eurex and the dollar. You can with Blue Sky. Rice and orange juice is on the list. Although orange juice, I don't have live data on orange juice on TradingView, but orange juice doesn't look real exciting. Doesn't get a lot of volume. Daily volume on orange juice is like only like it's under 1,000 contracts most days. Uh, I don't know. There's a guy in our Discord. It goes by LSD. He's a good coffee trader, so he might be interested in Blue Sky. So we're about 17 minutes till the bell. Good morning, RJ. Sitting back at 40.54. It's the area that it struggled to get above. Finally got above it. Now it's trying to run. By the way, Daniel, if you're still here, great call for 40.55. It's exactly where we're at now. Let's see. Still no Chris Moore. G-Man's missing for like the third or fourth straight day. ES nowhere near high day or anything like that. You can see we started off at 40.86 and it's been dropping. Ooh, a little bit of a rebound. How was your weekend, RJ? Ouch. Sorry about that. Hear that, RJ? You should send him an invoice. Although I really wonder if his address is still going to be Cincinnati here in the next couple of days. Pull one back down, so we got up to 40.55, 3/4. Pull one down. I think you can have 3. I think they just chose not to have 3. I'm not 100% sure of that, but I think that's truth. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure they had a third quarterback either, though, for that matter. I'm like, they've already injured a bunch of them this year. And you bet against the Eagles? RJ, RJ, RJ. Tisk, tisk, tisk. I say, tisk, tisk, tisk. So he just broke the 22-point candle down there. But it's trying to bounce back up, but tickles the EMA and comes down. So down, 2 bars back up. Oh, okay, I got you. I honestly don't understand how a lot of that betting stuff works. I never really got into it, so. It's a 2 bar up. Seems to be failing. We have 10 minutes to the bell. Yep. Let's try to come back up. Kind of stuck around this 40.54 to 40.52 area. So this is a trigger candle up. We're 9 minutes to the bell, and it has not looked real strong. But I mean, every time I've said that today, it's gone, and I should probably enter and be. It's kind of weird when I get a new eval like this one I have now with Blue Sky. I'm a little timid at first, and I don't know why. I was doing real well last week. I did 5 straight winning trades, and technically I have 6 out of my last 7. But we'll get it. Let's see if this goes to way up in the sky there. You don't even see the top of it. Way up in the sky where the little birdies fly. See how it's just kind of hanging around this yellow line on the RSI? That's why I'm not trusting it here. I do think at the open we're either going to go up, down, or sideways. That is good analysis from the Ox. How's everyone feeling out there? Ready to take some more money from the markets? To market, to market. Yeah. I'm staying flat until after the open. Or at least I think I am. So watching here. See what's crude doing here. Let's check out crude. Crude it. Still trying to rebound, but nothing much there. Gold. Gold's still looking kind of iffy. Nice up, down, up, down. Ultra bond. Bounced. Big. That was that move that Dakota said he missed. Now bouncing again. This is on an hourly chart. Kind of bouncing off that 100 EMA. Excuse my yawn. I apologize. Copper is all wishy-washy. And it looks like the currencies are coming down. Oh, there's a rise up. With the 40.56. Once again, we have a new sponsor, associate sponsor, here on MightyOxTrading, Blue Sky Trading. Prop firm. Oh, there we go. That would have been another win. I need to just take every trade. I keep telling myself this. So yeah, here's why it's stupid that I'm not taking every trade. You know, I went back and if I turn back time here, you can see I went back and I marked every trade from last week. It takes me a few hours to do this every weekend. It crashed to me. It didn't save Monday, but I then added it up. And last week, if I had taken every trade that met my criteria, it would have been 112 wins and 40 some losses. So it would have been about a net 80 wins. Net 80 wins. So one contract, 2 points, going for 2 points a win. That's not including runners, just going for straight 2 points. But 160 points in winners, which is, I think, what, $8,000? If I just took every trade. Just gotta get rid of this line because it keeps moving and it's starting to annoy me now. So I got up to, now look at that, that would have top ticked me, but I would have got that win there. 40.56 half. Yeah, I mean, last week was probably exceptional. You know, I've done that for other weeks and I've gotten about 60% usually. 60 to 65%. Last week seemed to be exceptional. There was like Thursday and Friday were really good. There was only like 5 losses each of those days, which is unusual. Usually it's about 10, usually it's about 30 trades, 20 wins, 10 losses, somewhere around there. But yeah, I mean, my goal is to have a slightly higher target than stop. But that was just with a, 2 point, 2 point stop, 2 point target, or when ATR got above 3, no, above 2.5, then moving 3 by 3. So I was just, that was on a 1-to-1, basically a 1-to-1 risk to reward. We are just over a minute from the bell. Let's see where we go. So we hang right on that EMA at the bell. Hey, Crypticon. One day I'll come on, and I'll show myself wearing a Hooters shirt, and you'll really like it. Ding, 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 ding. Don't you love my bell impressions popping up there? 3 points. Wow, big boost up to 40.58. It dipped down to 40.54. I'm sorry, 40.53, and now popping, hopping, stopping like a rabbit. When it gets the news, it gets the hay of it. 40.50. I'm sorry, 40.60. Now 5 points up. Think we're going to see a pullback on this next candle. Seems extended. Uh, we're above the third band. Well above that third band. Let's see. Pulls down. Just a slight little dip, but not much, and then back up. Theoretically, this opening candle was a trigger, and it would have worked. I don't ever play that opening candle, but I really need to start studying it and see how often it does something that's worthwhile. We're up about 3 points on this candle. So since the open, we're up about 8 points, although now we're pulling back. I like big wicks. Boy, I gotta watch how I say that. One wrong twist of the tongue is gonna come out really bad. $40.62. Shorting here. See if I'm stupid. I'm stupid. I think. Not getting the drop. Well, I missed the drop. I'm stupid. I missed the drop on that stop out. Totally against my plan. Not sure why I did that. That's okay. I mean, I was right, but premature. Or actually, I was late. I should have got in as it was coming down, not where I got it. Yes. Dangerous candles burn. Yep. So that was stupid of me to try and catch that reversal. Reversals aren't my play. That's okay. That's okay. I gotta trade my plan. I was stupid, stupid, stupid. So you're hearing me yell at myself. Up to 40, we're kind of hanging here. High here was 40.62. Like I said, we're way off the high day though, but we're trying. But it's starting to touch that EMA. In fact, it touched it perfectly on the hourly chart here. Ooh, big drop. Big drop. 4 points. Just hanging here now, right below 40.60. Let's see where we go. Touches that EMA again. It's trying to break it. It's trying to break it. All right. 40.84 being the high of this trading day. We're heading up, bounce off that EMA. I did like that bounce off the EMA. Let's see where she goes. A lot of people do not trade the first 15 minutes after the open. I rarely take a trade, for that first 15 minutes. But I've been looking at it more and thinking I should maybe. See where this goes. I don't know where it's going. Yep. I have 84 as the overnight high. Oh no, I have 86 as the overnight high. Somewhere around there. It's close enough for government work. Oh, did not give me 2 points there so far. Still in this little purgatory. Our only bit of news is at 10:30 Eastern, and I don't expect it to be big. Oh, there we go. That would have reached my profit target. That earned a purple. Boom. Nice call there. Trade together. Ooh, big boom. 5-point candle here. I like big booms. So you can see it touched. Let me move this purple line so you can see it touched that, and that was a great catalyst up. Can everybody tell that PJ has somewhat of a psych background? I cannot lie. I thought like behavior is considered psychological type thing. So it got up to 65.25, pulling back. He's analyzing us all. This bearish engulfing candle, that would have been a quick 2 points. Not in my plan, but it would have been a quick 2 points. PJ, there are traders that trade purely off of volume analysis. I can hook you up with some videos on that. If G-Man was here, he would absolutely love you. Burl, it's been up and down, and I kind of forgot to turn them on last night. I got to start working on that again. I need like more time because I'm having to earn money too, and there's so much I like to do with the channel. It's like I just not enough time for everything. If I had $2,000 a month, I would be so like golden to be able to do things with the channel, and this I want to get a website up and a whole bunch of other things. Algo work. Again, we're kind of trying to pop back up. Honestly, the group has been kind of quiet on the algos lately. Just, I'm not sure really what's been happening. We need to get back to it, because I really believe that there is something there to be found. I just haven't been concentrating enough on it lately to find it. So 65 down to 59. And Q pushing down. We could teach you. And bounce. Bullish engulfing. Big move back up. 3 points. Taking a long. We're going to get a long little doggy. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Target. Boom. 40.63.25, 40.65.25. Took it off this candle to hit this EMA, and then whoosh up to 40.66. Thank you, Trade Together. Your words there kind of gave me a little bit of confidence to actually take that trade as well. I mean, it was part of my ever evolving strategy. The line never turned, but you can see how he had a red candle and then a bullish engulfing. Both had touched his CMA and bounced off of it, which led into that. Obviously, could have got more out of it, but that 2 is there. And now we're back to break even, but we're down $16 today, all commissions. Another reason I like Blue Sky, their commissions are just $4 round trip even, easy math. And we're up to 69.5. Oh yeah, it's absolutely. Here what I found out, Burl, is unlike girlfriends and wives, the prop firms don't really get jealous if you're doing 2 of them at one time. Ace, you got anything in meat? Up to 40.70, 40.72, rising up. What, pick the meat off the pizza, Ace? Forty 72 half, pulled back by about 2 here, 3. Uh, if I ever became president of the United States, pineapple and pizza would be illegal. So 40.72 half, pulled back by 4. Wow. Hey, Freighter, if you're still here, I see you using your same line in Weenie's stream as you do here. Yes, you should, Ace. Yes, you should. And you should tell her that every day. Kind of sideways here, 40.70. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Continue to tell people you like the stream. And it continues recommending it to other people. Like I said earlier, this is the 1 week since our little mass exodus of those weird group of people, and we've recovered nicely. You know, we went from 1245 down to 1217 in subscribers, and now we're back up to 1235. And the average amount of watch hours has not really gone down any. I was going to say that, but I thought that was kind of cynical. In all seriousness, I know Ace and Mrs. Ace are a great couple. And in all seriousness, I'd love to meet them in person one day. Oh no, Ace takes jokes. He does not. He doesn't get offended. He spent too many months in Seth's channel to get offended here. All right, keep that in mind. Trade together. Well, you can let them know I'm single. And eventually I'm going to be rich. Pulling back. 40.72 half. Ooh, big, big move down. Wow, sudden. 6 points down. Back down to, wow, back down to 40.60. So quick over the last 8 minutes, dropped by 12 points. See if it bounces. That's excellent discipline, Crypticon. RJ. No, little bounce there. See, it got under that Bollinger on the RSI. It bounced. Thought it was pancakes, Ace. Down, up. Now where's it gonna go from here? Up, 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 up. This is a trigger candle. Nice bounce. See if it holds. At least it's right. That wasn't ramen. Pulls back just a tad. Just a tad. I got him late to a long. Hesitated on that long. Let's see, how late did I get in? 3 ticks late. Ouch. So just be at break even now instead of down 2 ticks. See if it still goes for me. There we go. Come on, one more tick, one more tick. Ah, it hit it. It hit it, but didn't fill me. Darn it. It hit my target, but did not fill me. Come on, give it to me. Give it to me. Come on. Ouch. Ow! It hit my target, didn't fill me, and now I'm down 2 ticks. Come on. Give it to me, baby. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Wow, really? It is just playing with my emotions. There we go. Yay, I held on. That's a winner. And if I had gotten in without the hesitation, I wouldn't have had to go through that. Yeah, whose birthday, Ace? So, now we're up $80 on the day. There we go. First time we're positive on the day. Earned its purple. Thank you, Avi, JC, Dakota. Hey, K-pop fun stuff. Happy birthday. Thank you, John. You're welcome, Ace. continuing to rise. Remember, Trade Together said don't take anything short, just go long. And RJ, is your 86 back on the table? Is struggling in this area. You can see it got up to 71, 72 here. It's trying to get through 72 here. Boom, 75. Aren't we all, RJ? Aren't we all? Up to 40.76. So definitely, our ATR is about 3. So I should have went to a 3x3 there. I'm not even sure I have that set up. I need to look. Do I have that set up? I do not have that set up. I need to get a 3x3 set up. When I go above 3, I should be when the ATR goes above 3, I should be looking for 3 points. So this, this should have been 3. You can see how those all would have worked for 3. But would have worked for more. But here's 77. Remember, we do have a small bit of news coming up at 10:30. Probably not a market mover, but keep it in mind. That's awesome, Trade Together. That's wonderful. That is awesome. That's an awesome profit with 2 micros. Wow, Ultra Bond just taken off. Look at that beautiful move there up. Since it hit bottom at 141.10, it's come up a point and a half. Trying to get back up to high day. What did crude oil do? Crude did have a nice bounce. Crude got down to 77.85. Now it's up to 78.94. So full point bounce was gained about half that candle back. Gold still can kind of wishy-washy. Agriculture, it's all wishy-washy too. Orange juice up slightly on the day. Bitcoin rising up. So we got up to 78. Pulling back a tad. So for those of you wondering what happened to the Apex account that I was trading, I'll still be trading it, but probably off stream. Working on the Blue Sky account here on stream. Swimming upstream. In a, I don't know. Pulling back. See if it gets back down to that, whatchamacallit. A little bounce back up. Haven't heard anything. I'm gonna guess busy Valentine's Day, somewhere around there. Although since it happens so often, Groundhog's Day would be more appropriate. But that we might get. Well, I should say that either Valentine's Day or Super Bowl would be a guess. I don't know anything. That's just a guess on my part. Yeah, they always say that. I mean, 50% is what they've never not had 50% since the day they launched. They launched with 50% off, and it's never gone away. So that's just their basically their regular prices. They're just making it look like it's a 50% sale. I mean, I guess technically they could take it away at some point in time, but yeah. 40.74 is where we're hanging for now. Copper making a nice move up. And as always, if you want to follow all the sales of all the various props, we keep them pretty up to date on the MightyOxTrading Discord. We have a special channel just for the discounts. So we're kind of floating back down from that high of 40.78. Like a balloon losing helium. And now getting shot with a BB gun. Wow, that was a quick move down. Down to 40.70. Let's see if it recovers. It's tickling that EMA, trying to come back up. Green candle. Excellent job, Sid. Good morning. Happy Monday. Glitch, how's your day going? Thank you, sir. Down, up, possible down move. Now, that last green candle is a trigger. I just don't like it here. Let's see if I was wrong to not trade it. I feel like, yeah, so we're seeing red. This would have stopped me out. It's coming back down. I'm going to take this short, as a matter of fact. Well, maybe not. It went down too fast for me to take short. I always wait for a candle to close. I wish I had the ability to chart 30-second chart. See how this strategy I use would work on a 30-second, but I can't afford the trading view plan that gives me 30-second charts. I'm going to take this short, though. Up a point. Come on, 2 more ticks. 2 more. Nope. Come on, 2 more ticks. Target hit. There we go. Boom. Now, why did I take that? Because technically it was against my plan. I love moves like this. Down, up, and then right back down establishes possibly a new move down. So boom, we get our win. Thank you guys. Thank you, Sig, Crypticon, Leonardo, Glitch. Remember, guys, hit your live button, and you might be a little bit behind the broadcast. And now it seems like we're having a couple little blips. But thanks, JC. So we're now up by 2 wins on the day. I've actually lost track of how many trades I've taken. Oops. And after commissions, we are up $176. Oh, so that'll tell me how many trades. I've taken 6 trades. So I'm 4 wins, 2 losses. Not bad. Again, if I've been using a 3-point target, 3-point stop, I would have got 3 there as well. So the last 3 trades, if I've been using the 3-point target, I could have got an extra $50 on each one. Now we're having another setup exactly. Look at that. That's like a mirror image of that one. Almost. But I'm not going to take it short here. But we'll see. I kind of like it. Nope. I mean, it would have put us in heat. Let's see if it drops. Remember, we do have that tiny news coming up in 10 minutes. I don't think it's a market mover, but I can't be sure. Thank you, Burrow. If I didn't say that already, if I did, that means I'm probably getting early onset Alzheimer's because I already forgot. Bouncing up, so it was nothing good. This was not the same as this. That if I would have tried to take that short again, I would have gotten smacked. This blue sky evaluation is a 50K. Profit target $3,000. Need to trade at least 8 days, and there is a 30% consistency rule. So now I kind of like that as a short. It gave itself some room, and you can see the move down. So is 78 going to be our high? That is the question. We have about 35 minutes to go on the stream, a little more. And we're a little bit choppy. Choppy. Another thing about Blue Sky, for those of you that like level 2 DOM reading and or just looking at the bid and the ask for the 10 levels, Blue Sky gives it to you free. They don't charge you extra like some prop firms. Blue Sky, you look at the top banner there, Cryptocon's new sponsor. They're a prop firm. They've been around 6 months. They were started by. It was partially one of the founders of the company is a former prop firm customer. I'm not sure about the others, but you know at least one is. They're the only prop firm that allows you to trade the ICE exchange and the Eurex exchange. Oh, glitch, yeah. Congratulations on that. I'm sorry. I think I entered that trade as you said that. I totally missed that you said that. That's great. 6 straight is excellent. If I stay green today, this is me be my third straight green day. And I'll know you have the time of your life. Now we just broke the 100. See if it holds under. I embrace the power of love. Strong candle down there, 2.5. Yeah, because you take the E out of blue. Took a short, up a point. Target hit. Boom. So I took a short on the break of 100, which is also in my strategy, and boom, look at that, baby. Ah, why won't it give me my purple? Boom. So in at 40.61 half, out at 40.59 half. You can see it there on my chart. Didn't really get a chance to show it before I hit target. There we go. Thank you, John, Dakota, JC. So we're now up 272 on the day. 7 trades, 5 wins, 2 losses. That 272 is after commissions. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, IMAD. Yeah, I will talk to Josh today and see what's up. Sorry, got quiet there. I had to go ban somebody on Earn a Trade. Okay. I'll definitely, I'll find out today. Yeah, there was a spammer on Earn a Trade, and someone tagged community moderator, so I quickly jumped on that. Now we have a break back through the 100, and my cat's yelling at me. I think he's saying take the trade, but I'm not going to retake that. We'll see if I'm stupid. Hey, Jay, what do you say? Now I kind of like it for a short. It came up and then came back right back down. Not going to take it. A little hesitant. Let's see. This would be my setup. Oh, there it goes. How about that? 62.5 down this. Yeah, I would have had to get it with no slippage so far. We'll see. What am I waiting for? What are we waiting for? And there it goes. So that would have been a win. It earned its purple. Yep. They get down to 40.58 half over here in this candle. Boom, 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 boom. So got down to 40.55. Hey, maybe we've looks like we're stable now. Sorry about that. I always lose viewers when that happens, and I don't blame you. 40.55. By the way, that news did give us that little pop, I think. Let's go look. Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, negative 8.4. They expected negative 15. As we continue to drop. Thank you for those who stuck with me through that 5 minutes of internet blipping. Remember to hit your live button to get back to the live broadcast. Are you guys still seeing and hearing me? I think we're stable, so you might need to refresh Avi or hit the live button. Well, yeah, that's what I meant, Crypt. You know, I don't show my face. Except for once or twice a year. I don't know why my upload speed just cuts out like that. I have great download speed, but no upload. I don't have that option, PJ. Comcast is my only option. Or T-Mobile, which would be worse. Still heading down here, 40.51. Down to 40.49. I will say that Comcast out in the East Coast, near its headquarters, was always better for me when I lived out that way versus here where they just don't seem to care. Yeah, I have considered if I ever get the money, upgrading to their gig plan, seeing if that's any better. Wow. See, I never hesitate. I always get at least 200 down. So we have about 15 minutes left. It looks like we're heading straight down now. Our classic 10:30 reversal started a half an hour early. Alright guys, after I'm done today in about 15 minutes, Greg's Trading Plays, aka Weenie Trades, he's streaming live today. Go over and show him some love if you want to continue watching some trading. Give me a second. And that's the direct link to his active stream. I'm not sure how long he's streaming today. He does both futures and options, so yes it is, Burl. Boom. I don't even remember why oh. Now here's interesting getting down to this support area. Remember we double bottomed here and here early on in the stream. Seems like so long ago. Back at 8:04 and 8:39. And that from that double bottom, we went up. So let's see if it breaks that. It's right on it. It's right on it. It's a little bit underneath it. It broke it. Things I get excited about. One more like until we hit 30. Anybody got a like for me to get to 30? It's sitting right on that line. Back above it. So it didn't really break it. I mean, it got a couple of ticks lower. I don't consider that a clean break. Nice bounce. So I mean, we can count that as another bounce. Up by 3.5. Thanks, guys. Jumped up to 32. So assuming no more trades in the next 10 minutes, we'll finish our third straight green day. I think that's the best one. No, one was $300, but that was with that. I wasn't figuring commissions with that one, so it's probably about the same as what we did on Thursday. But this is a good way to start this evaluation. Up 272. This is a nice bounce again off that same area that we bounced off before. Have a great day, Crypticon. And I'm an ox, not a gator. Popping up, tickling that EMA. That was a nice bullish engulfing. Could have possibly gave us a hint that it wanted to come up further. Especially since we were bouncing off support. We got up there and it looks like it wants to come right back down. Sitting right on that EMA. Watching time. Oh. Trigger candle back down. I don't want to trust it. But let's see. Zooming in. Zoom, zoom. Zoom. Darn. 2 points. Let's see if it goes 3. I mean, let's see if it goes another tick. I'll only count if it goes another tick. Tick, 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 tick. Yeah, there. So, again, I didn't trade it, and it worked. Boom. Barely worked, but it worked. So let's look at this. The only two blue lines, let me just make sure that's right. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. The only two blue lines were the first 2 out of 3 lines of the day. I could have, if I had traded each one, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. 11 and 2. So that'll be a net 9 wins based on my strategy for the day if I had taken them all. And wow, rejection back down. Have a great day, RJ. See you tomorrow. Now we see how we have a higher low here. We might be seeing the exhaustion of this down move, up, down, and then maybe up. We'll see. See if this wants to continue to come back down. So far, it's put in a higher low. But we'll have to see whether or not this continues up. Right now, we're seeing a red candle. I like red candles. They're pretty. Yep, there we go. There she blows. Tickling that EMA. Have a great day, Sid. Thanks for stopping in. See you tomorrow. Oh, reminder, folks, we do have a stream tonight. If you all want to check in then, Asia session, 7:45 Eastern Time. Do a couple hours of Asia, see if we get anything fun and exciting there. Just kind of tickling that EMA. Have a great day, or evening, Borneo. So, successful day. Third straight green day. Probably trade Apex after I'm off here a little bit. And see what I can do there. And I'll probably try to send out a tweet with totals for the day later on. There we go. That's a nice little rise up. Ooh, bigger rise up than expected. Kind of went from EMA to band. That usually says it's going to pull back a little bit on the next candle. We'll see. It's a 3.5 point candle, or 3.25. Nope. Did not pull back. I did think about taking it, but I expected more of a pullback after that. Maybe up, slightly down, and then up. Yeah. Yeah. Would have given me my 2 points if I had taken it. but was not in my plan. It was just this market read. Why did I think that might go there? Up, down. We talked about this higher low and had some momentum. We were above the yellow line. We were toward the bottom of this range in the RSI. So everything kind of pointed to a move upward there. So we reached the 11 o'clock hour on the East Coast, 10 o'clock my time. So I think we're going to pack it in today. It was a very good day. So the last 3 days, 300, 200, 272. That's what I like to see. That will be life changing for me if I can continue doing it. And that's what I'll be attempting to do. We're going to call it a day here for this stream. Tonight, we're back 7:45 Eastern for a couple hours of Asia. And we're back here tomorrow morning at 7:30 Eastern. And like I said, if you want to continue watching someone trade and stream at the same time, head on over to Greg's Trading Plays, aka Weenie Trades right now. He's live. He does public streams on Monday. Good friend, and I love to see y'all support him. Have a great rest of your day, everybody, and we shall talk to you either tonight or tomorrow. Have a great day. You're welcome, Pamela. Have a great day. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r/Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.